Once you have the jig clamped in place where you want your pocket holes to go, actually drilling the pocket holes is super easy. Now, there's a tendency to want to put the drill bit all the way in until it touches the wood and then squeeze the trigger. But that can cause the bit to grab a little bit as the drill begins to turn. To prevent that, just back the drill bit up a little bit in the drill guide, then squeeze the trigger, let it get to full speed, and drill your holes. All you have to do is drill until the stop collar touches the drill guide. And just that easily, you've got 2 perfectly positioned pocket holes. If you're drilling pocket holes in a very hard wood like this maple, or in a wood with a lot of moisture, sometimes the chips can kind of clog up the drill bit. But you can remedy that easily. Just drill part way in, pull the bit back a little bit to clear the chips, and then drill the rest of the way. So you can see, even in hard woods, drilling the pocket holes is simple.